Hello class 3, welcome to your English class. Children, how are you all? I hope you all are well and enjoy your classes. I also hope that you guys are doing your work regularly. In our previous video, we have discussed our chapter number 1 limericks from our English Alive book. Also we have done warm-up exercise of this chapter. So children, I hope you guys have done all your work in your book. Now in today's class we are going to do book work and notebook work of the same chapter. So children, let us start. Now children, open page number 15 in your book. Here we have a question. Children, here we have some questions. Also we have some options in each question. And we have to choose the correct answer. So let us start with the first question. The old man in a tree was bored by a bee, flea or neem. So children, which option is the right one? Yes, option A is the correct answer. The old man in a tree was bored by a bee. So you have to choose option A in this question. Now come to second question. How many larks were there in the beard of the old man? So here we have some options like 6 larks, 5 larks, 4 larks. So you have to choose your right answer. So which option is the right one? So children, option C is the correct answer. There were 4 larks in the beard of the old man. Now come to third question. A seed is a dog, horse, donkey. So which option is the right one? Option B is the correct answer. A seed is a horse. So you have to choose here option B. Now children, come to question 4. The man who had great presence of mind was from Berlin, Basin, Bengaluru. So which option is the right one? Basin. So you have to choose option B here. Now children, I hope you guys have understand this question. Now let us do another question. So turn to page number 16 in your book. Now children, see here we have vocabulary part in which we have to do question A and B. So let us start with question A on page number 16. See children, write 3 rhyming words for each of these words. Do not repeat words from the poem. So children, here we have some words as you can see here. Cake, hand, speed, thin tree. Now what we have to write? Rhyming words of these words. And what are rhyming words? Which give us same sound, which gives us similar sound. So let us start. See the very first word, cake. So rhyming word of cake can be take, bake and lake. So right here, take, bake and lake. Now see the second one, hen. So rhyming word can be pen, den, when. Now see the third one, speed. So rhyming word of speed is deed, treat. Now see the third, treat, and last is heed. Now come to fourth one, thin. So rhyming word can be tin, bin and pin. So right here, tin, bin and it can be pin. Okay. Now come to fifth one, tree. Rhyming word of tree can be free, can be key, okay, and last is can be glee. Okay. Now see the second question. Take the correct meaning of the word from the poem. Here we have some words like amazing, built, horribly, mistake, replied. Now we have to take the meaning of these words. So amazing means wonderful. Built means constructed. Horribly means terribly. Mistake means error. And replied means answered. So children, in this way you have to do all your work in your book. Now let us do notebook work of this chapter. Now children, see here we have notebook work of chapter number 1. Children, in this way you have to start your work in your notebook. Firstly, you have to write chapter name, then chapter number, and then you will start your work. Now see here. Here we have some word meaning. See the very first word, horribly. Horribly means unpleasantly. Second word is brute, and brute meaning is something unpleasant. Third word is lark, and meaning of lark is a small brown songbird. Fourth is wren, and meaning of wren, a small brown songbird. Fifth word is presence of mind, which means intelligence and cleverness. Sixth word is seed, which means horse. Now children, in this way you have 6 word meaning in this chapter, and all these word meaning you have to write down in your notebook. Now let us do question answer of this chapter. See children, here we have question answer of the chapter. Answer the following question. So here we have questions and you have to give the answers. Like his, what is a limerick? Answer is, a limerick is a funny poem having 5 lines. Come to question 2. Who has written the limericks? Answer is, Edward Lear has written the limericks. Now see the second part of the question answer. Read the lines from the poem and answer the questions. So children, here we have some lines from the poem and we have some questions related to this line. Now we have to read them and then we have to give the answer of these questions. Now let us start. Who does they refer to? They refers to the people around the old man in a tree. Now come to question 2. See children, here we have question 2. What buzzes? Answer is, the bee buzzes. Come to question 3. Who is he? Answer, he is the old man in a tree. Now here we have extract number 2. It is just as I feared. Now there are some questions related to this line. Now we have to read them and then we have to give the answer of these questions. See the very first one. Who said it is just as I feared? Answer of this question is, the old man with the beard said this. Come to question 2. What was he afraid of? Answer is, he was afraid of birds building their nest in his beard. Now come to question 3. See children, here we have question 3. Did his fear come true? Answer, yes, his fear came true as 2 owls, a hen, 4 larks and a wren built the nest in his beard. Now children, in this way you have some question answers and all these question answers you have to do in your notebook. Now let us see frame sentences. See children, here we have some words and you have to frame sentences by yourself by using these words like tree, purchased, nest, old, bee. So you have to frame sentences yourself by using these words. And I will ask all the sentences in your Zoom class. So children, be ready with this work. Now, I hope you guys have understand all your work. Now children, time to get some homework. See children, this is your homework. In homework, you have to complete chapter number 1 in your book as well as in your notebook. Now, I hope you guys have enjoyed your class. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.